Hey everyone! Are you tired of typing your password every single time you turn on your Windows 11 computer? Want to skip the login screen and go straight to your desktop? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way to remove your Windows 11 password directly through Windows settings. I'll also show you how to add your password back if you change your mind later. By the end of this video, you'll have a password-free Windows 11 experience. But before we start, a quick important note. Only do this on your personal computer that stays in a secure location. If your laptop travels with you or other people have access to your computer, keeping a password is important for security. Removing your password means anyone can access your files. If this sounds good to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Windows tips. Let's dive in. Now let's remove the password using Windows settings. This is the simplest and most straightforward method. Start by opening the Settings app. Press Windows key plus I on your keyboard, or click the Start button and then click the gear icon for settings. In Settings, click on Accounts in the left sidebar. You should see it near the top of the options. Now click on Sign In options. This is where all your login and security settings are located. Scroll down until you see the Password section. It might be collapsed, so click on Password to expand it and see the options. You'll see information about your current password and a Change button. Click on that Change button. A new window will open asking you to verify your current password. This is a security measure to make sure it's really you making this change. Type in your current password and click OK or Next. Now here's where you remove the password. You'll see 3 fields. Here's the key part. Leave the new password field completely blank. Don't type anything in it. This tells Windows you don't want a password anymore. Also, leave the Confirm Password field completely blank. You might also see a password hint field. Leave that blank too, since you're not having a password. Make sure all the new password fields are empty. No spaces, no characters, completely blank. Click Next or Finish. That's it. Your password has been removed. The Settings window will close, and you'll be back at the Settings main screen. Your Windows account no longer has a password. The next time you restart your computer or sign out and sign back in, you won't be asked for a password. You'll go straight to the desktop. Let me explain what just happened. Windows allows you to have a blank password, essentially a no password at all. When you leave the new password fields empty, Windows sets your password to nothing. So when you boot up your computer or wake it from sleep, there's no password to enter, and Windows just logs you in automatically. How to add your password back. What if you change your mind and want to add a password back? Maybe you're taking your laptop to a coffee shop, or maybe someone else will have access to your computer temporarily. No problem. It's very easy to add a password back. Open Settings by pressing Windows key plus I. Click on Accounts in the left sidebar. Click on Sign In options. Scroll down to the Password section and click on it to expand it. Since you currently have no password, you'll see an Add button instead of a Change button. Click on that Add button. A window will open asking you to create a new password. In the New Password field, type your desired password. Make it something you'll remember, but also something reasonably secure. Don't use obvious passwords like password or 123456. In the Confirm Password field, type the exact same password again to verify you didn't make any typos. In the Password Hint field, you can create a hint that will help you remember your password if you forget it. This is recommended. Don't make the hint too obvious. It should help you, but not make it easy for others to guess your password. Click Next or Finish. That's it. Your password has been added back. The next time you restart your computer or sign out, Windows will ask for this new password. You can toggle between having a password and not having a password anytime you want. The process is quick and reversible. If you travel with your laptop, I recommend adding a password back before you leave home. When you return and your laptop is back in a secure location, you can remove the password again if you prefer the convenience. And there you have it. Everything you need to know about removing your Windows 11 password using the settings method. Let me quickly recap what we covered. And importantly, I showed you how to add your password back anytime you need to and how to change your password. Remember the key security advice. Only remove your password on computers in secure locations where only you have access. Don't remove passwords on laptops that travel with you or computers that others can access. The great thing about this method is it's completely reversible. You can add your password back anytime in just a minute or two. You can toggle between password and no password whenever your needs change. Now I want to hear from you. Did you successfully remove your Windows 11 password? Are you using this on a desktop or laptop? Do you feel comfortable with the security trade-offs? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss future Windows tutorials. Check out my other Windows 11 videos for more tips and tricks on customization, optimization, troubleshooting, and everything else you need to know about Windows 11. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy your password-free Windows 11 experience. Just remember to stay secure. See you in the next video.